Hey there, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create stunning presentations using Google Slides. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves making presentations, this tutorial is perfect for you. Get started, go ahead and open Google Slides. You can access it in two ways. You can go ahead and visit slides.google.com or open your Google Drive and click on the new button and then select Google Slides. Now once you're there, you'll see options to start a blank presentation or use a template. For this video, let's start with a blank presentation. So in here, as you can see, I'll be able to find the title section along with the subtitle section for my first page, as I've selected blank presentation, so I can simply customize this. So once I double tap on here, I'll be able to enter the text that I want to add as my title. So you also need to do that as well for the subtitle to be able to add the subtitle text. Now if you want to change the font style of your text, go ahead and click on your text, select your font from the font section, and in this list you can simply select the font that you want to use. You can also change the font size. So you can use the plus and minus button as well as with the list of font size available. You can also set your text into bold, italic, underlined, crossed out. You can set the color of your text from this available colors. You can also select the color of your highlight for your text. This is a great tool if you actually use highlight color for your presentation for more precision. You can also set the alignment of your text from left, middle, right, and justify. So these are all available. You can also set the position of your text on the box. You can create bullets and lists by clicking on that bullet and list in the tools section. By clicking on the bottom left of your screen, you can add a new slide to your presentation and customize it as well as with your first page. Once your presentation is ready, it's time to share it. So you can click on that play button at the top right of your screen and you can simply present your presentation using Google Slides. And that's it, you've just created a simple slide on Google Slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!